Are you looking for the best aluminum greenhouses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best aluminum greenhouses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AirWire 8 by 12 foot Polycarbonate Greenhouse. The AirWire greenhouse is designed for easy assembly, allowing you to set it up in half the time compared to traditional greenhouses. Its sturdy aluminum frame and polycarbonate panels provide excellent protection against harsh weather, ensuring your plants are safe year-round. The greenhouse features UV-resistant panels that filter out harmful rays while letting in beneficial sunlight, promoting healthy plant growth. Additionally, it includes adjustable ventilation and secure access points, allowing you to maintain optimal airflow and keep your plants safe. With AirWire, you can cultivate a flourishing garden with ease and confidence. What we like: quick and easy setup, durable and weather-resistant, UV protection for plants, adjustable ventilation. Number 2. HOWE 14 by 9.5 foot Polycarbonate Greenhouse. The HOWE greenhouse offers an impressive 9-foot height and a spacious design, making it perfect for nurturing a variety of plants or even serving as a recreational space. With its dual wide swing doors and adjustable side vents, you can enjoy easy access and optimal air circulation, helping to control moisture levels effectively. The robust construction features heavy-duty panels and an aluminum frame, ensuring durability and stability. Additionally, the greenhouse is equipped with reinforced posts and expansion screws, providing added security against strong winds and heavy snow. This makes it a reliable choice for outdoor gardening enthusiasts. What we like: spacious design for plants, easy access and ventilation, durable construction materials, windproof and snow-resistant. Number 3. VIWAT 6 by 7.5 foot Greenhouse. The VIWAT greenhouse offers a user-friendly setup with its quick-install design and slide-in panels, allowing you to spend more time gardening and less time assembling. Built with heavy-duty polycarbonate panels and a sturdy aluminum frame, it ensures your plants are protected from harsh weather all year round. The UV-coated panels safeguard your plants from harmful rays while still allowing ample sunlight for growth. Additionally, adjustable ventilation and a secure lockable door provide a safe and well-ventilated environment for your plants to thrive. What we like: easy assembly, durable construction, UV protection, good ventilation, secure access. Number 4. WUKHG 8 by 10 foot Greenhouse Kit. The WUKHG greenhouse is designed to withstand harsh weather, thanks to its robust aluminum frame and heavy-duty polycarbonate panels. This means you can rest easy knowing your plants are protected from strong winds and heavy snow. The UV-resistant panels allow just the right amount of light and while keeping harmful rays out, creating an ideal environment for plant growth. With adjustable ventilation windows and a lockable door, you can ensure fresh air circulation while keeping your plants safe. Plus, the built-in gutter system efficiently drains rainwater, making it easy for you to collect water for your garden. What we like: sturdy weather-resistant construction, UV protection for plants, good air circulation, efficient rainwater drainage. Number 5. VEIKOU 6 by 12 foot Greenhouses. The VEIKOU 6 by 12 foot greenhouses, also known as VEIKOU greenhouses, is an upgraded walk-in greenhouse designed for outdoor use. The polycarbonate greenhouse panels have been made thicker and stronger, providing better protection for your plants and herbs. The riveted construction of the greenhouse makes installation quick and easy, saving you time and effort. The lockable door now features door handles for added convenience. The heavy-duty aluminum framework is dust-proof and weather-resistant, ensuring the greenhouse can withstand the elements. Adjustable ventilation ports allow for fresh air circulation, promoting healthy plant growth. With an overall size of 72-inch WX142.2 x 76.6H, the VEIKOU greenhouses provides ample space for your gardening needs. What we like: upgraded polycarbonate panels, quick and easy installation, weather-resistant aluminum framework,